Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is comparing quantities. So as we have already completed the exercise 9.4 and we have already started the exercise 9.5 and we have discussed question number 1 part first, but many of the parts are there, so we will discuss some more parts from question number 1. So question number 1 is there and we will start with part second today, and the second part is two y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. We are supposed to find the product by using the identity, or otherwise we can multiply also, but according to the question we are supposed to use the identity. So this we can write 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5 means identical binomials are there, so that will be the power 2, and we know what we know, that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is the identity, that a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. The same binomials, if we are supposed to multiply, then we are having the formula for that, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, then plus b square last term. So in place of a, here we are having 2y, in place of b we are having 5. So 2y plus 5 whole square is equals to, now in place of a we have written here 2y on the left hand side, and in place of b we have written 5 on the left hand side. So we are supposed to substitute the values of a and b on the right hand side as well. So in place of a we will write 2y plus 2 into, in place of a 2y, and in place of b we will write 5, and in place of b here we will write 5. So 2y plus 5 means 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5, because that is the whole square means 2 times we are supposed to write. That is the question we are supposed to solve. Now we are supposed to solve on the right hand side. 2y whole square means 4y square plus 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, or 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 20y plus 5 square means 5 into 5, that is 25. So that will be the answer of this question. So this identity we are supposed to use like this. After this we are supposed to discuss question number first part 5th. Question number 1 and part 5th we are supposed to discuss, that is in that part we are supposed to use the different identity, and that is 1.1 m minus 0.4, and in the second bracket that is 1.1 m plus 0.4. Now here both the binomials are same in the magnitude, but they are having the different sign, here minus, here plus. So we use the different identity for that. We know that, what we know, that a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square, that a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Here the a is 1.1 m and b is 0.4. So we will substitute the values on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. A is equals to 1.1 m and B is equals to 0.4. So, we are supposed to substitute on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So, here we will write 1.1 m minus 0.4 and here we will write 1.1 m plus 0.4 is equals to a square minus b square, means 1.1 m whole square minus 0.4 whole square. So, we will get the answer, that is 1.1 m minus 0.4 and 1.1 m plus 0.4 is equals to 1.1 m square, means 11 into 11 121, and decimal we are supposed to place after 2 digits counting from the right hand side, and then 0.4 square, 4 square means 4 4 16, and we are supposed to place the decimal here. So, that will be the answer of this question. So, I hope that you have understood how to proceed, how to use the different identities to solve such type of questions. Afterwards, we can take some of the more parts from this question, that is the part 6. The sixth part is a square plus b square and minus a square plus b square. So, we can alter that, that is the b square plus a square into b square minus a square, means we have interchanged the place, sign we cannot change. So, now we know the same identity. Which identity? We know that is a plus b into a minus b, and that is a square minus b square. So, in place of a here is b square and in place of b there is a square. So, we can substitute on both the sides, left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So, b square plus a square and b square minus a square on the left hand side. Now, we are substitute on the right hand side as well. So, on in place of a we will write b square whole square minus a square whole square. So, now we can use the original form, that is the a square plus b square and minus a square plus b square, and the answer will be b square whole square, means b raised to power 2 plus 2. We are supposed to add the powers, minus a raised to power 2 plus 2, again we are supposed to add the powers, and the answer will be b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4. That will be the answer of this question. So, like this we can proceed. So, first of all, what you have to do, you have to repeat the questions what we have discussed today during this video. At the same time, you are supposed to complete all the remaining parts of this question, and after completing the work you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. At the same time, you can face some kind of problems or you can have some doubts as well. So, what you have to do in that case, you are supposed to call or you can message us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, now you can proceed in your fair notebook as well, but you have to start from chapter 1, and from chapter first of all you are supposed to complete chapter 1, then 2 and 3. 3 chapters you can complete in your fair notebook, chapter number 1, 2 and 3, and after completing the work in your fair notebook as well, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.